In this video, we will do a basic on and off switch replacement on the Swan SI-150CBK. We will start by removing the top cover using a Phillips screwdriver. There are approximately 10 screws that secures the cover to the frame. You do not need to take off the 2 screws that attaches the reset switch. Once you have the top cover off, remove the 2 wires and push down on the tabs that secures the switch and pull while pushing the switch from the back towards the front. Replace the switch and attach the wires. Reinstall the top cover with the 10 screws that was removed earlier with a Phillips screwdriver. Lastly, reattach the handle knob for the shaft. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.